Hi, good afternoon, or should I say, peaceful afternoon. I just want to share some thoughts to you once again as we close this week. And tama ang hula mo, it has been an amazing week na naman for me personally, for us, for our team. Me and my wife, we were invited in Boracay for the past few days. We stayed there for 3 days to facilitate a leadership training program for one of our clients based in Manila. It's a very interactive, day of conversations, topics, activities, and realizations of the topic leadership, which is, alam mo na to, very timely nowadays. Sobrang napapanahon. Okay? This topic, of all the many topics that we should have delivered, ito pa, leadership. Napaka-vital, napaka-sensitive. Okay? Napaka-confidential in some areas. But hence, we were able to make the event memorable not only for us but for sure for them as well. And again, it's an honor, it's a privilege in being invited sa napakagandang lugar na yon, in the island of Boracay, of all places, talking about leadership. Okay? But for the sake of this conversation, I just want to talk about, because it's fitting din. Kasi today is World Communications Day. I want to share some points, thoughts, siguro, topics, how-tos, if you will, on, how to have effective communication. Pero siguro, ano ko lang, babawasan ko yung gravity nun. How to communicate na lang para mas madali. Okay? So, like I've said, it's fitting. Today is World Communications Day. And maraming tao nagsasabi na it's ironic kasi we humans can communicate really talaga by default. Kayang-kaya natin makipag-communicate sa kapwa natin. Minsan nga nakikipag-communicate tayo sa mga halaman. And in this day and age, we communicate to machines. Okay, we communicate to different AI platforms, so kung ano man yung mga yan. Okay, but marami ring nagsasabi, it's very sad kasi hindi na natin parang na-enjoy masyado. We do not enjoy anymore, at least based on what they are saying. We do not enjoy anymore having genuine, authentic, long conversations to our fellow human beings. Okay? And may mga tao din na nakaka-experience ng mas gusto nilang makipag-usap, sa madaling paraan, sa maikling paraan. Okay? And most of the time, because of that, the message does not really go through. Okay? Parang hindi masyadong na-absorb yung messages, rather. So, I just want to share some points on how to communicate. Okay? Here we go. Oh, by the way, little disclaimer. Disclaimers na naman, and mahilig tayo rito. This conversation is not for everybody. If you don't agree with me, it's okay. I don't mind. I just want to share. Okay? Lagi kong sinasabi, it's like me cooking something, a delicious food, pero kung ayaw kainin, it's okay. No worries. I don't mind. Okay, so, just want to share. Of course, to those people who understands this, who will understand this conversation is for you again. Okay, so how to communicate? How do we communicate? Number one, have a good message or have something good to say. Okay? Paano mo to makukuha? Paano mo to magagawa? You know that you have something good to say kapag something popped out in your mind, a thought perhaps, na galing sa isang experience mo, na galing sa isang learning, galing sa isang tao, siguro nag-share sa iyo ng idea, ng thought na ito, and parang you know that it is good if you feel the urge of sharing it. Okay? Yung may automatic response ka parang gusto ko rin itong i-share sa iba. I learned this, I heard about this, I listened to this person sharing about this thought, about this idea. Parang gusto ko rin siyang i-share sa iba kasi baka, makatulong din to sa kanila. Okay, so that's number one. Have something good to say or have a good message. All right? Number two, okay? This time, the second requirement is a little bit technical. And I know, I respect, you have so much ways kung paano mo magagawa tong second criteria na to. But the second criteria is you need to focus on being understood. Okay? If you have something good to say, you need to focus na dapat maintindihan ka. Now, regardless on how you deliver this good message or this something good na gusto mong i-share, ikaw na yung bahala dyan. Again, like I've said, I know you're tuning into this and you will agree with me if I will tell you that you are in yourself a good communicator. Okay? So alam kong kaya mo tong gawin. But just adding a little bit of emphasis to that, you need to focus on being understood. Okay? How you deliver this message, ikaw nang bahala. Pero you need to believe that kung ganito mo siya i-deliver, maiintindihan ka 100% ng taong kinakausap mo o ng mga taong pinag-sharean mo nitong message ito. Kung yung mga taong, the people you are conveying this message to. Okay? You need to focus in being understood by them. Okay? That's the second requirement. Okay? Number three, the third requirement is, okay, you need to enjoy every second of it. Kapag ka sinishare mo siya, kapag ka ine-express mo itong something good na to, itong good message na to, you need to personally enjoy every second, every moment of it. Alright? Kailangan din to. Okay? Make sure na hindi ka magsasawang i-share ito lagi. Okay? It has something to do with your belief, your strong belief that this message of yours, whatever it is, you strongly believe that this is good to the people that are listening to your message. Okay? Number 4, and this is my most favorite among the 4 criteria, ito na yung last, but you need to believe really strongly whatever message you are sharing. Okay? You need to strongly believe that the person listening to your good message understands it deeply, as deep as you understand it. Okay? And kailangan maniwala ka na kapag ka naintindihan niya to, he or she can also share it to his or her friends, to the world. Okay? Kasi perhaps malaman niya rin na itong message na to is kailangan din ng ibang tao. Okay? So, round up. Okay? Number 1, have something good to say or have a good message. Number 2, okay? Have a way to be understood. Okay? Mag-focus ka na dapat by delivering this message or in delivering this message of yours, this good message of yours, mag-focus ka na dapat maintindihan ka. Number 3, you need to enjoy every bit of it while you are sharing this message. You need to enjoy every moment kapag ka sinishare mo tong message ito. And lastly, you need to strongly believe, kailangan mong maniwala na kapag ka sinare mo tong message na to, you will be able to make this person a better person, one way or another. Okay? But don't get me wrong, just like what I'm doing, just like these conversations, I call these conversations unsolicited advices. Okay? You know what? Kasi maraming tao ang hindi man umaamin, but they crave for conversations. They crave to be perhaps understood. They crave to be listened to. They long for authentic, genuine communication. Who knows? Perhaps we just need to believe that whatever your message is, that it is good, Okay? It can give positive impact to the people that will listen to it, to the people who will understand it. You need to believe. You need to believe. Kailangan mo maniwala. Kasi hindi natin alam. Okay? You might save lives just by communicating. Okay? So, catch you again next time.